Are you looking for a way to access Roblox Studio on mobile? In this video, I will show you exactly how to access Roblox Studio on your mobile device, step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up any web browser you like and then go to roblox.com. After that, log into your Roblox account on the Roblox website. After that, tap where it says Create. So now what you want to do next is tap on these double A's at the bottom left and then simply select Request Desktop Website. And it will load the desktop version of this website on your mobile device. So now you can access Roblox Studio on your mobile device and start creating whatever you want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.